of Memorial Healthcare's origins are so special. In the years before World War I, a group of concerned local citizens understood that access to quality healthcare was a vital need for this community. It would take more than a decade for their vision to come to fruition, a wonderful testament to their unwavering commitment, perseverance, and devotion to community service. Ever since we've opened our doors on May 1 of 1921, those traits are our North Star. The community and the hospital have a 100-year relationship, characterized, I believe, by interdependence and mutual commitment. In other words, we are better together than we are apart. When the community is thriving, Memorial benefits. When Memorial Healthcare is thriving, the community benefits. Again, better together than apart.
We believe that our patients at Memorial Healthcare deserve our very best. We look at caring for our patients and our community as caring for our own family. In many cases they are. They're our neighbors, they're our friends, they're our family. And when you have that kind of commitment, you're going to put it all out there. You're going to do your very best to ensure that they have the best, the safest, the highest quality service possible. We've received national recognition for quality and for safety accomplishments in the clinical arena, as well as national recognition for things like our public safety program. But at the end of the day, it's the difference that we make with our patients and serving their needs more effectively, more successfully. The awards are simply a validation that we're hopefully getting it right. One of the things that we're most excited about at Memorial Healthcare is the future. We have a tremendous group of young leaders, medical staff, and they're doing incredible work. I think that many of the things that we are doing now, I hope, set the stage and prepare them to be able to not only continue this direction that we've begun, but to excel and to provide even better and more value to the communities that we serve.
Innovation, to me, is the ability to see beyond where we are and really apply a change that will not only achieve a long-term outcome, but improve upon it in a way that we didn't think was possible. That can be applied through technology, it can be applied through systems, but for me, innovation is that quest of always trying to get better. The benefits of applying healthcare like this is that a patient can get the right answer at an earlier point in time. They can walk in for a visit and we can give them a sense of hope from day one, as opposed to waiting for test results to come in. In the end, the goal is to treat people as early as possible with the best possible treatment and the right treatment. And our hope is that the new center will allow us to do that for patients. My hopes for the new facility are that one, every patient who comes through understands and feels that this was built for them. Number two would be that other organizations who provide healthcare around the country or world see us as a beacon of what the future might look like for patients. And number three is that for those of us in the community, for those of us who work here, that it only serves as fuel to our passion. In the end, if we love what we're doing, if we love where we go to work, we end up being much more invested in it and providing much better care. And in the end, the reality is this. Right now, I'm on the right side of the bed, but there'll come a day when I'm not. And my real hope long-term, selfishly, is that I've left something that I know and I'm confident in that this is where I need to be when that day comes.
Our core values today in 2021 are amazingly consistent with the core values of the organization at its founding 100 years ago. The fact that those values are still the same, they're still consistent, they're still important, is what you want to see in the best run organizations. We are very aware that we are standing on the shoulders of those that have come before us, not the least of which are those leaders of 100 years ago who opened Memorial. One of the best ways that we can preserve the past and honor that legacy from them is to continue to move forward, to build on what they committed to build on what they started. Now is our time to shine. Now is our opportunity to write our chapter in the Memorial Healthcare history book. Now is our opportunity to expand our lines of business and our opportunities to serve more communities and indeed the world.